Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to order in Shopee. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. And ordering in Shopee is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you place an order. First of all, open up the Shopee app and download it and sign in with your account and basically search for products. And in the products, let me show you a demonstration. In the search bar, you're gonna search for products right here. Let's say for example like this product, right? And then enter the keywords for the product that you're actually looking for, and afterwards select the product, and after you view and check the product, add it to your cart, and then you're gonna review your cart, and then basically tap on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen to view your cart. And then after you review the items in your cart, adjust quantities if you need it and remove any unwanted items. And then you're gonna proceed to checkout, and basically you're gonna enter the delivery address. If you haven't already set a delivery address, enter your shipping details. You can add a new address or select an existing one and choose the delivery method if you want a standard delivery or express delivery, and then to select the payment method, bank or credit or debit card, bank transfer, or cash on delivery if available. Enter the payment details, and then basically now you're gonna review and place the order. Now the only thing that you need to do is track your order status, right? After placing your order, you can track its status by going to my orders in the app, and you will receive updates on your orders progress, including shipping and delivery notifications. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.